Hey guys, we are out in Boulder City today at the IPOF Car Show. If you don't know what the IPOF stands for, it's Injured Police Officer Fund. So they do a couple of shows a year raising money to help police officers and their families who have been injured on the job, from what I understand. If it's not exactly right, don't yell at me. But we are out here at Veterans Memorial Park, like I said, in Boulder City. We have at least 200 and some cars coming in. We have emergency vehicles. We'll have fire trucks, police cars, canine. Usually they do a canine demo with the police dogs. So that's always cool because I see those dogs and I think, who is stupid enough to ever see what they can do and then test them? So I'm going to flip you around. We're going to start taking a little stroll down. I'm going to get some rolling. As you can tell, we've already got tons of cars here. And this is probably one of the safest car shows I've ever been at. They got more cops here than they do the lowrider shows. So we are going to flip you around and see what is cruising in. I put a little distance on us there. There's the registration table. Not sure what they are hauling in this, but look at this nice station wagon. I love it. Looks to be an old Bel Air. And it's actually pretty quiet. It's been sitting here idling. I love it. Family cruiser. And we have, wouldn't you know it, more police officers of some type.
Imagine that.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Go ahead.
Look at this. Oh my. We've got them lining up to come in. Beautiful cars. We see everybody come out for this show. Here's the Volkswagens are rolling in. Look at that nice little brown VW. I like that. Looks like a chocolate bar. What's cool is shows like this bring out some cars we don't very often see that only come out for special events. Beautiful. Young lady driving that. Look at those wheels on there. Dang. Everybody comes out to support this show. This truck, we have a passenger that looks to be in charge. Oh, look at that. The passenger. Guard dog. I was going to say, I'll stay back. I don't want eaten. They'll be rolling in for a while today. Memorial wagon. Here comes the, if you watch your Otter Files, you're going to know this next one. Nice big old truck. He's got his tractor on the back. That Farmall. As you can see, we are filling up. Down there This whole park will be full shortly. That's a nice truck. That's cute. Got those wheels so shiny. Got some new muscle rolling in. I would think some of them new muscle cars have seen enough police officers. They don't care to do that. But we can take a little trip around, see what else rolls in. What's great about this show is we are out here on the grass, and it is going to be a nice warm day. So having that grass rather than being on pavement is going to mean a lot. Go up here a little way, see how far I can get before the music gets me. And I haven't been worrying so much about copyrights because I'm just asking that people go over and check out my Amazon shop. It's a link in the description. If you follow me over there, if you go shopping and you use my link, I greatly appreciate it. Helps me make some money so that I can continue going to car shows. I mean, filling up with gas, fixing my car. Heck, I may even need to get a new car one day. Delta 88. And there's going to be one of everything, I guarantee. They used to have this show down at Sunset Park in Las Vegas, but it's much nicer out here. Old Mustang. And there we go, a Thunderbird. And for those of you on Facebook, look who it is.
I'll be out in 2 more days.
2 more days of Facebook jail?
Yep. How you doing, sweetie?
I'm doing good. Don't say anything you don't want on video. You're going to be in trouble. That's right. That was Bob Cook. We don't see him very often. We used to see him on Facebook, but he can't stay out of jail.
Morning.
Good morning. And another old Mustang. This is kind of a... They used to make about the 66s about that color. There's Lonnie's Willys. He is the king of slow drags, and when he's not driving it, his wife is. This is the slow drag rig, that's for sure. And Bob that we just saw, this is his car. Let's see. We'll show in here because, well, he raised the hood and we got to act like that is a hot rod. He drives this all over the place. So, out here helping. Park cars. There's Frank's truck. Another Mustang. I think going to car shows you have to have Mustangs. And look at this. Look what we're going to start this row with. Who would have guessed? Another Mustang. There you go. I love car shows on the grass. We don't have a whole lot of them out here. I'm going to go to the front of this line so we get the front ends instead of the rear ends. I love that car. Oh. Beautiful. Stingray. If I was ever going to have a Corvette, that is what I would have. Now this one's a mite bit older. a nice wagon. I about need me one of those for hauling stuff. Since I've been doing Amazon, I tell you what, my little car just does not hold enough stuff. Old Apache truck. And I have a feeling that it won't be long and it'll be filled up in here. Those Thunderbirds, I always think of cruising on the beach when I see those. This I think of going really fast from a stoplight. But I guess I am at the police show, I shouldn't say that. I think we saw this last weekend possibly. I'm not sure if it's the same one. At the
Most of them are four-wheeler.
hey, I'm like, I heard you go by this morning. I figured you were heading to Eastern.
No, we went to go eat and then we came out here.
See? Now, let me tell you what. If you've never done one of these shows, you're safer here than at any other show. That's what I always figure. You know what? I'm pretty safe out there.
Yeah.
Unless I'm speeding and then I'm in deep trouble. Bright yellow. Holy moly's.
Yeah,
Can see that coming.
exactly. Cops see me from a mile away. I'm like, is that guy speeding? Yeah, he's speeding.
Yeah, I was going to say, you're the kind of car I like to follow because I know they'll pick you out other than my old blue car.
Right.
There's some green for you too. Holy moly's. All out here shining them up.
Morning.
Good morning.
How you doing today?
Wonderful. It's going to be a beautiful day on the grass.
Absolutely.
Oh, you're fine. We're making good time through here. I know that others will pull in, but I'm not going to worry about that. Relentless Car Club, it looks like, is got a big old booth set up for themselves. I suspect that's where most of these cars come from. Cool lights, huh? And look at this. I'm going to get on the other side of this and see if I can see the... Here you go. I couldn't get in between them, so we'll come over here. I have a feeling that's a cop magnet. Holy moly's. And we'll hop on over to this other side. We're going to cover as much as we can before it gets too full. We've got more cruising in up there. And I'll get as many as I can. Right now, I haven't even got to the row of cars we had cruising in earlier. Because there's that old truck getting ready to park. New muscle. I don't understand these trucks. This paint. I don't know if you can tell. It's the textured. Always looks like it's got tar and pavement all over it. Considering a lot of these are cops out parking, I don't know how the parking got messed up. Oh, now we know Lonnie was off running around, not doing his job. Now, here is Jim's Blazer. He hasn't had this up and running too long. I like this truck. I like the old trucks. Bit of a new car there. try to sneak by these guys. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's a Studebaker. Look at this. He's got so much room in there. You could put another engine in there. Oh my. Look at this. Puzzled about purple. That's what it says up there. I don't think I can get to it, but that's what it says. That's a nice grapple. On his hood is all puzzle pieces too. There you go. All right. I think I can hear music, but I'm not going to worry about it, like I said. If I had to worry about it all the time, I'd be stress myself out.
We don't want to do that.
No, don't do that. Nice convertible. I could use a convertible on a nice day like this. Big old Coupe de Ville. These Cadillacs are just huge. And we see this one out a lot. Lots of times he's pulling a trailer that is the butt end of a Cadillac. So it's kind of cool. There's Bruce's Cadillac. He hasn't had that too long. And let's go down this next road and then we'll go see if we can get some more roll in. Big old boat of a car here. Oh, I like this.
Yeah, this one originally came with.
Look how pretty that is. We saw that just at the very beginning.
So I'm like, well, everything's right there. It's a Carter car, you know. And Aeropod took it over, so it basically bolted up.
Oh, we've got cars going every which way now. All right, let's go down and see if we can find some more rolling in. Because these are the ones we caught earlier out, so we'll see what we've got. Fully understand because I want one of those. Now this old truck, let me tell you, they drive it a year or two ago. They drove that up to Utah from Vegas. They just cruised in it. I mean, that's pretty good when you can take something that looks like that. I love this trash can right in my way. It makes for better video when I got a garbage can.
You're doing a hell of a good job.
Oh, well, thank you. You wouldn't lie, would you?
No, we won't allow it.
This truck is so white. It looks like a pillow, a marshmallow. They've got them rolling now. Holy moly, we are moving fast. Here comes Bruce. This went over to Arizona with us to Chloride for the St. Patrick's Day cruise and parade. His nephew drove that. He needed the car to be over there and he had some other plans, so his nephew drove it. I think he had a good time cruising in the old ride. That is red. Holy smokes. I was gonna get down here, catch some of them. Gotta get around everybody. We'll just start walking, getting them. Down here handing out the, I don't know what they're handing out. Oh, cardboard to put, oh, I was gonna say, I thought maybe they were handing them cardboard to put under their cars for oil leaks. Another old Corvette. Gonna try not to get hit. Stand here behind the police vehicle. Oh. He's gonna stop, so. Nice convertible Mustang. Oh, here we go. She's looking a little sporty in there today. I was gonna say, you let him drive that and you drive the sporty one, huh?
Yeah.
Now, that's the way to do it.
The better one.
Yes. This is several Mustangs, and then we've got green. Now this is some kind of Lamborghini. What I know about these kind of cars, you could stick in your eye and wouldn't hurt. But I see them going up and down Lake Mead sometimes. That's about all I know about it. They're not really something I know about. And he's got the little teardrop trailer on the back. Vertical Mile Rally. Motorcycles food truck. Oh, there we go. Pizza and more. Sin City Pizza. That's who I like. I'll walk in front of this police car. Here's a truck from Boulder City. It's out a lot. And look. I was going to say, you know what? You're not really original. I've seen a few of those.
I'm just passing through.
So, I was going to say, are you out here picking out your next ride that you want them to get you to cruise in?
I wish it worked that way.
You're just out here to intimidate us all with your lights.
Oh.
You too. Don't worry, we have the experts up there handling it. Look at this truck. I like it. That's what they had when I was in school. All the cool kids. Got his blue line flag out. What the heck is this? I'm not sure.
Mad Max.
I was gonna say, did you come out of Mad Max? It looks like a police cruiser gone rogue. There you go. I had it right. That is something. If I saw that pulling my drive, I'd be like, oh crap. Hello, how are you today?
Hey, how are you?
Wonderful. It's gonna be a beautiful day.
For the police officers, fun.
Yes. And it's going to be beautiful for us too. They're going to share it. The grass is wet, just so you know, when you get out or when you're driving on it. They didn't turn off the sprinklers.
It'll dry quick.
Yeah, we're in the desert. I wasn't prepared for wet grass. Good morning. Wonderful. Can't ask for a better day.
Yeah, I agree.
Beautiful old truck. It's even got the, I'm going to jump up here. Look at the pinstriping. I love the curves on that. And then the straight back, kind of blocky, but yet it's got those curves. Good morning. Look at what he is towing in. Holy moly. Beautiful. Yeah, I can see why you'd tow that. Great Dodge convertible. Perfect day for a convertible. And we got green. Holy moly's, we got green. You know, the cops have been looking for you all day. You just pull up to them. All right. We're gonna see if we can find a few more. This is where we're at, over on the other side. Like I said, it's Veterans Memorial Park, and we've got the ducks, people out walking their dogs, tons of cars coming in. But I wanted to give you a look to show you that even out here in the desert, we have nice little places you can go and enjoy the scenery. There goes some big Canadian goose. They've got a waterfall down there with the ducks just a strolling down it. I love this little place. So there you go. Let's see if we can't find some more cars. It looks like we've got more rolling in. Here comes Therese. Let's get her rolling in. There she is. She's being followed by the Star Wars mobile. There you go. Made a trip from outer space, huh? You don't see that out all the time. Up, the car back there is losing fluid. There's Trace. Are you having fun?
Yeah, I should have got here earlier.
Well, you got one back here losing fluid, smoking like a son of a gun. We ought to try to get her out and in. Exquisite Mopars. Good morning. Here we go down the line of them. I'm going to go up here and see if somebody can help this little gal get this car moved up. And let's see. The boss man.
What's happening?
We're having fun. That's what we're doing. Okay, let me grab some help for this guy. She was rolling smoke. I was gonna try to get her some help, but they've got so many cars kind of stopped at this point. Can't get them all through. Good morning. Take another little stroll as they roll in. We'll just keep catching them. Oh, look at this. Couldn't get it up to 88 today?
I can. If I do, you're going to see some serious
You know what? Just let me know ahead of time because I want that on video.
Fair enough.
There you go. Let me tell you.
I'll tell you what, come here. Watch the speedo. There you go. That's what happens.
Oh my gosh. See?
Check it out. Plutonium gauge is going to drop off. There it went.
He's got the whole setup.
So if you try to go again, add a plutonium.
Oh man. Better luck next time. That is awesome. He's got the whole setup in there. These guys are probably all like, get out of the way, lady. No. I got cool stuff to show you. We see this on Saturday mornings out at the Eastern Car Show. And there's one of those cars you usually don't want to see. We've got some regulars pulling in. As you can see, that lot or that park is filling up. So try not to get the regular people on here. That's a beautiful, I think that's kind of a purple. Nice. Old Trans Am. I remember those. A tiny car. It's a shoebox. Look at that. Put that in a hamster wheel and go. I'm getting my exercise today. I don't even know what these cars are. I know what this one is. That's a beautiful blue with the black. That's nice. Pardon? That's a beautiful blue.
It's a Mustang color. This is 71 Mustang. This is 70 Mustang medium blue color.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't often see them. There's just something about that blue that's a little different than me.
It's similar to aquapoker blue, but not the same color.
I love it. We've got sirens going off. Good morning. What year is it? 1970. 1970. Looking good. And we've got another old Mustang coming in. We've got a fire truck that looks like it's been around a while. Here's a 65. I like those tail lights. A little newer. Got those white wheels going there. And more Mustangs. Here we go. The Chevelle. Beautiful day for a convertible. Look at this, a Dodge fire truck. What year is it? A 1956? Beautiful. Look at this. I mean, it is done. Wow. Love it. Followed by a little new muscle there. I can make my way back up to my coffee. So, as you can tell, instead of going up by the music and all, I'm just running around down here for a bit. I've got my coffee up here in my car, and that's why I've kind of been staying over here. Pretty soon I'll have to be staying over by the bathroom, but we're gonna get to some more cars. They had 250 registered this morning. How many are gonna show up? Because a lot of them are coming in that were not registered, and they're registering now. So I don't know how many we're going to end up with. What? I would say it's going to be a boatload. Nicer than what I was going to say. So we're going to let some more roll up. I'll get me some coffee. And we'll be right back. All right. They've rolled on up. I've ran up the line. We'll start back down again to see who all is rolling in to the IPOF show here in Boulder City. Out at the Veterans Memorial Park, there's an old ambassador. Good morning. Aviante. You see them up on Saturday mornings. You've probably seen them if you watch Rotter Files. Hate to say it, but those are the strangest looking cars. Every time I see one. It is. In fact, we have a friend over in Arizona with one. And I always tease her too. Old Mach 1. Cutlass convertible. And we have a new car. That's a fancy car. Oh, there's the highway patrol.
Hello.
I'd rather be next to you filming you than you the other way around.
We're excited to be here.
And look at this. There you go. I didn't do it. That's awesome. And another old police car being towed in. That's an old Las Vegas Metropolitan Police car. Cool. Here we go. They've got a lot. Got a doggy in there. Look at these guys. They look like they've been, have you been running from the police all morning? You two look strapped in, ready.
That guy back there has been trying to chase me. He has a gun.
You know what? There's some officers up here that can help you.
All right, we'll arrest him.
There you go. You're in trouble now. He told me you've been chasing him all morning. Watch out. Cop's up there. He's going to get you nailed. Look at this Cadillac. Riding in style today. Beautiful. I don't know how you park it, but... there you go. Looky here. Is that classy or what? Rolls Royce. 58. Convertible. Look how nice that is. I haven't seen our other 58 come in. Kat should be here in hers at some point. Convertible vet. Great day for a convertible.
Oh, this is awesome. This is what they're made for.
Yes. But I wouldn't say that here in about 3 months.
It's still good.
Is it?
It's still good. Oh, yeah.
As long as you don't stop too long.
That's it.
Here we go, another convertible vet. Good morning. Good morning. That's like a forest green. Look at that. Look at that blue. I love that. That's kind of a blue purple. I got my sunglasses on so I can't always tell. There's lug nuts rolling in. Studebaker truck. Beautiful. Don Wayne Trucking in loving memory. That's a nice ride. And look what we have here. NYPD. I believe you're out of your jurisdiction, sir. There you go. Those are some sounds I've heard before. Let's see what we've got here. A Ford. That's all I know. Custom 500. Now this is my style. Love it. Got a Cummins in it. Sits up nice. Sounds good, huh? And we are still filling up even more of the perk out here. I'm going to see if I can zoom it in. Let's take another gander. I'm over here by the Geese. Oh, that's too funny. I'm pretty sure we'll see some more roll in. And like I said, hopefully I can get some video of the police dog demo. And I'll get some pictures. And like I said early in the video, I know I'll probably end up with a copyright strike before the day is over, but I have a link in the description to my Amazon shop. I'm an Amazon influencer. I also do Amazon Live, showing off some cool products. So if you shop on Amazon and don't mind giving that a click, follow me over there. I don't do car shows, they won't let me, but I do show some cool products, and you never know. You might just find something on my page you've been wanting, and I greatly appreciate it. If you use my link and you make a purchase, I may make a commission. Got to add that in there too. So let's see if we can't find some more roll-in for you. Here's a beautiful old truck. Look at the flames on that. I hope you can see them as we go by. We'll get up here. There's a doggy with his head out the window up there. He is like, where are we? There you go. Some unique flames. Another convertible vet. Old Chevy C10. I'll get out of the way. I hear a car coming. Old Trans Am. The T-tops. As I always tell you, when I see one, I dated one of those. We've got some fancy cars. Some of them could probably come out, they know these police officers personally. Either friends, family, or just got pulled over so many times. Look at this beautiful truck. That is a cool color. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you doing?
What year is this?
54?
54? I love it.
Thank you.
Look at that. It's kind of, it's a unique color. There you go. We're gonna find more cars, and I tell you what, we will get all the old police cars when I can get up there without all the music. All right, I missed a couple. There goes Michelle and Donald in the Base B or the Bass B, depending on how you say it. Look at this. That car is always beautiful. Oh. I should know. Never run to the restroom. But that huge cup of coffee I brought did me in. Got the kids all rolling in now. There's an oldie. Good morning. Look at that. Looking nice this morning. Beautiful. I like the way that sets. It kind of looks like a big old boat. Beautiful color. Here we go. Firebird convertible. Is that a 69? Does it go really fast? We have a friend in Arizona with a 69, and he leaves 20 minutes after the rest of the crew. So he can get there when they do. There you go, Smiley. There's your competition. I love it. I do like the old Firebirds. I love that car. You know, he said it goes pretty fast. Y'all might want to watch for it.
If I stop him, I'm going to impound him.
See if
And then I'm going to send off for a title and it's going to be mine.
There you go. You know what? If you can do that, let me know. I got my eye on a few here.
Okay.
I figure, yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Let's get some more of these. I really do think we're going to need a bigger park. I'm not sure how many more they're fitting in. Look at this Charger. Nice. I get on the other side so the sun might be better for us. Here comes an old Chevy truck. Looking beautiful. I was going to be done, but they just keep rolling. We got a fancy green something. Yeah, I don't know these new cars. It's going to take this little bump slowly. Come on, son, give her some gas. Yeah, I know nothing about that. It's a Lamborghini. I just know the little logo. Nice red Mustang. That's a nice one. Well, there you go. Look at this. Beautiful green and white. Kind of old Bel Air cruising in. There's the hard workers out here. Not sure what he's doing, but he's working hard today. Got a cute little doggy out here running around, helping out. We don't get too many of these shows on the grass. But I know we still got some more cars coming because I know some people heading out that I haven't seen yet. I'll try to get them. I didn't see the pink police car either. Somebody's busy. He's too busy. Don't mess with me. You're on video. I have proof.
That I'm working.
Look, oh look, Bob is directing traffic. All right, look at this rolling in. Is that cool or what? Well, I'm guessing we are coming down to the end of our run here for this. Like I said, I'll get some walk around when they don't have the music. We'll also make another video. I'll also probably make another video if I'm here. They're going to do a parade of all the police cars And while us adults may not be excited about seeing all the cop cars and the fire trucks and all that, the kids might. So I'll keep that one extremely family friendly. And that way, if you've got littles that enjoy the police cars, I'm going to try to get that. I don't quite know yet how it's supposed to work, but if I can, I'm going to get it just for the kids. I mean, I've seen some police cars. I've even seen the inside of a couple of police cars. No big deal to me now. I prefer to stay away from them. But we're going to see if we can't get some more stuff for you. And we'll be right back. Ranch wagon. Here is some orange, let me tell you. Even with my sunglasses on, that is orange. We've got an old cop car down here. I think he's pulling in the wrong way. Adam 12. Let me tell you. Here we go. We've got some Mayberry Police. We've got Ghostbusters. We've got a few others that are down the other way I'll get later. City of Los Angeles. Not in service, do you think? Everybody's out today to support the police officers. Yeah, they're playing music up there, so I'm kind of limited right now. I'll get them later. And what I may do is run up there, just kill the volume so that I don't get in as much trouble with YouTube and get just the footage. So in a little bit, if I kill the volume and you see all the old police cars, you know why. We've got some more over here waiting in line to get rolling in. There you go. A Grapple Charger. Look at that. Old Bel Air. New Corvette. Those new Corvettes I don't ever think are real Corvettes.
Yeah. Hang out for a second.
Oh, good Lord, here we go. Look at this crazy old lady going the wrong direction. What the hell, lady? You're going the wrong way. Ah.
Said I came in the wrong way.
Well, yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah. So I gotta go turn around, right?
Well, yeah, but you're going to have a hard time. Just don't go yet because they got that big rig right there. I don't know where
that's pretty big.
Don't know where he thinks he's going.
Have a hell of a time.
You know what? If I were you,
I'd back up.
I'd back up and just go in and then come register. All right, we got a lot of horsepower out here, and this is actual horsepower. Look how pretty. Let me tell you.
I said you're going to be gone for like a little bit, and I'm like, okay, well, are you around this week?
I'm not leaving until the end of April.
Well, then I'll come bother you this week.
Second week of...
That black one just looks like he has no time for me. The other two just want to go take a run, pretty sure. Cat wasn't the last one in. Although we did maybe she was. Got another fancy little car. Look at that. Got the headlights coming up. We'll get another one in here. Tasmanian Devil there. We've had a little break in the music, so I'm going to try to run through and get some of these up here. See what we can do. Little police cruiser. Probably freaks a lot of people out. Got the bars on the window.
Yeah.
Look, the Ghostbusters are here. I feel safer already. Oh, no problem. Let's look in here. Look at that. They are ready. I love it. We see this out once in a while. How are ya?
Good.
There's the Mayberry Ambulance Service and a big German Shepherd. Huge. Here comes another one. Oh, look how pretty. I like the dogs as much as the cars.
I know. That's a bumper, buddy. Good boy.
There you go. Isn't that amazing? They are ready for anything. So if anything happens, I will be safe with an ambulance here. Here we are again with Back to the Future. And like I said, we've got all kinds of police cars everywhere. And they're going to start the music again, so I'll try to get the rest of them here in a little bit.